करने जा रहे हैं आप लोग?
अच्छा ही होगा और दिल्ली के बेहतरी के लिए होगा तो भी स्कीम बनेगा।
Surya Khatri there speaking with the media is of course another BJP MLA who has also won recently. You can of course see other MLAs who had arrived earlier on your screens. The meeting has begun there in the BJP office.
कांग्रेस के खिलाफ, आम आदमी पार्टी के खिलाफ, उनके भ्रष्टाचारों के खिलाफ धरना प्रदर्शन करते थे, वो दिन भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ताओं के लिए अहम होता था। आज विजय उत्सव है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने बहुत अच्छी जीत वो दिल्ली में करी है। तो आज का दिन अहम इसलिए है कि बहुत वर्षों बाद हम सब जीत कर आए हैं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता जीत कर आए हैं और अच्छी बात है, उत्सव की तैयारी है।
महरौली की बेहद अहम सीट जीती है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? पर्यवेक्षकों से कुछ बात हुई, रविशंकर प्रसाद सीनियर नेता, ओपी धनखड़ भी काफी सीनियर नेता।
Alok Mehta, editorial director, India News, is joining us live on the broadcast. Alok Mehta, what's your hunch? Who is leading the race to be Delhi CM according to you? Also, what do you make of this formula that we've accessed through our sources? No deputy CM likely in Delhi. 1 CM plus 6 ministers formula is likely in the national capital, Alok Mehta.
Rajit, certainly, because this is a union territory. It's not a state like Uttar Pradesh or Bihar or Madhya Pradesh. You know, here we don't need a deputy chief minister. Frankly speaking, Delhi was a Vijay Kumar Malhotra, leader of the BJP. Then Madan Lal Khurana. Vijay Kumar Malhotra was the chief executive councillor. At the time, it was a metropolitan council. So the top leaders of the Madan Lal Khurana who built the party, Sahab Singh Verma, these were people from the down to earth. And Sushma Swaraj, even she was from Haryana, but even then she took over for a few months. So I don't think there is any need for deputy chief minister in Delhi, and it's a very right decision. Because for Kejriwal, he wanted that maybe if he will shift to Punjab or he go to Haryana or he will be prime minister, then he wanted to groom the Manish Sisodia. Otherwise, Delhi is basically like a New York City or Mumbai. I used to tell that only one metropolitan city, one can have one even corporation like Mahanagar Parishad, but in Mumbai, Delhi needs such a person. So certainly, for tight administration, and especially the lieutenant governor is also there, central government is there. It's a union government, even not in like Mumbai. Here is a lieutenant governor also very important role for the DDA, for law and order. So there are already a chief minister will work for a development. What they have planned, especially for the clean Yamuna, or all the other development work, the roads, or the corporation also maybe. In few days, they will also have the corporation in control because now their number is also increasing. So I think this is the right decision. Maybe that's why I'm saying, our reporter also telling that, okay, either Rekha Gupta is a woman leader, not only because of the caste. You know, BJP insists, today is the Jayanti of Guru Golwalkar. If anybody read the RSS agenda, and even day before yesterday, Mohan Bhagwat said that we want to eliminate the caste system. We want all the Hindu should be united. That's why, because on the media we discuss the Baniya, Jat, and they will choose for the future, at least if they want to encourage the woman, like Sushma Swaraj was also there, maybe Rekha Gupta or Pravesh Verma. Pravesh Verma is a two-time MP also. But depends, maybe like Narendra Singh in Madhya Pradesh, he was...
सीएम के नाम की घोषणा होनी है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
दिल्ली वासियों को बहुत बहुत बधाई, शुभकामनाएं। बहुत लंबे समय के बाद डबल इंजन की जो सरकार है वो उसका सीएम जो है वो दिल्ली को मिलने जा रहे हैं और दिल्ली में जो विकास इतने समय से नहीं हो रहा था वो दिल्ली वासियों को मैं उसकी बधाई देना चाहता हूं कि ऑलरेडी जो घोषणाएं की थी उस पर ऑलरेडी काम चालू हो चुका है।